Let's Learn Thai has come back! For this episode, we are going to speak about the question that Thai people use to ask each other when they meet. They are so common. I'm going to tell you and also tell you how to answer these questions. The first one, super common. We usually say ไปไหนมา or in English it's where did you go? So simply you can answer them by ไป and then the place that you have been to or you just went to and then ending with the word มา When you say มา at the end of the sentence it means you did it already. For example ไปวัดโพมา Wat Po is Po Temple. And if Thai people ask you ไป and then the name place and then ด้วยกันไหม they are asking you to go somewhere with them. For example ไปวัดโพด้วยกันไหม so they are asking you to go to Wat Po together with them. And if you want to go then you say ไปค่ะ or ไปครับ If you don't go, if you don't want to go, then you say ไม่ไปค่ะ or ไม่ไปครับ Remember, when you answer the question, use the verb, which is in this case is the word ไป to answer the question. The next one, another super common question. กินข้าวยัง They asking you have you eaten anything yet? Eating is so important for us. So when we meet each other, we usually ask like have you eaten anything yet? Which is กินข้าวหรือยัง If you did, then you say กินแล้วค่ะ or กินแล้วครับ If you haven't yet, then you say ยังไม่ได้กินค่ะยังไม่ได้กินครับยัง is not yet. And again, Thai people would love to ask you to eat with us. They might ask you กินไหม For example กินขนมไหม They are asking you would you like some snacks? If you want to eat, then you say กินค่ะ with a big smile and say ขอบคุณค่ะ or ขอบคุณครับ But if you don't want to eat it, the direct way to say is ไม่กินค่ะ or ไม่กินครับ But to be polite and to save their feelings, you can say อิ่มแล้วค่ะ which is you already full, that's why you will not eat. Or you can say กินมาแล้วค่ะ or กินมาแล้วครับ which mean you ate already, so that's why you are not going to eat. Or you can say กินไม่ไหวแล้วค่ะกินไม่ไหวแล้วครับ It means that you are so full you couldn't eat anymore, so that's why you will not eat. By saying this, you save the feelings of the person who asks you to eat something. And remember to end with ขอบคุณค่ะ or ขอบคุณครับ at the end because that person is offering you something. Lastly, so many times when Thai people meet each other, we would give some compliment to each other or say something just to greeting. The normal phrases that we use are ดูขึ้นนะ and the common ones are the first one ดูสวยขึ้นนะ which means you look more beautiful than the past. Or ดูหล่อขึ้นนะ which means you look more handsome than in the past. Or sometimes you will hear ดูผอมลงนะ It means that you look thinner. And the last one, you might hear people say ดูอ้วนขึ้นนะ which means you look fatter. But for me, it's not that polite to say you look fatter or ดูอ้วนขึ้นนะ For me, if I notice someone is chubbier or they gain some weight, I would say ดูอวบขึ้นนะ อวบ means chubby. So it's all about culture. If you have heard any Thais saying these things, don't take anything personal. It's just like we are trying to greet someone and that's it. Have fun learning Thai and see you again in my next video. Stay tuned. ไปก่อนแล้วนะคะ สวัสดีค่ะ